Okay, so for this week of my senior project was mainly just researching. I was just looking up, trying to refresh my memory on a couple of concepts, such as the navigation mesh and the Unity editor, as well as just basic artificial intelligence for AIs. So I mainly was looking at videos for enemy AI patrols. So, for example, I looked up this video made by Blackthorn Prod. Let me just go ahead and mute it so you don't have to listen to it.
I'm Noah, and welcome to another AI tutorial with the Unity and Scene. So our NPC can move at any location in the scene. So as usual, I have an almost empty Unity scene with this red square sprite.
Let me go ahead and go to my GDD. So for let's say in the first world, where it's just like you're in the forest, like for the fox enemies, I wanted to have them just following a certain patrol whenever the player is not within range, so that they look like they're keeping themselves busy and not just waiting around for the player to show up. At least have them look like they're walking around the forest, having their own little life.
I quickly created in Photoshop. Let's bring it to life. To do so, I'll create a new C# script. So I'll use, like in the previous videos, of the have to hard code any values. In Unity, I'll set speed to something like 2 very
for setting up all your transforms for your waypoints, and he was giving both ways of showing how to make random movement and also iterate through your array of transforms so that your character will move from waypoint to waypoint. I also was looking at this video over
Of course you can use your own. So in the scene, what I've done is I've added him into the scene as. So if we save that and then switch back to Unity, what I've done with that code is
basic
direction.
implementation for having your enemy turn to face towards the player. I found also a really quick link in Unity themselves about them using the navigation mesh agent for setting up enemy AIs to follow towards a certain position, usually being the player position. So that's pretty much what I was doing, was just trying to get a little bit of research done, refresh my memory on AI and nav mesh for Unity. So I'm planning on just actually implementing that with some very basic little enemy placeholder meshes for this coming week.